guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah Lau and this video today is about... Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a get ready with me video for the fall weather. I update my daily makeup routine from summer to fall by adding some more products that give my skin a little bit more moisture, and then I like my complexion to have a semi-matte finish. Starting off, I'm going to be using the Drunk Elephant B-Hydra Intensive Hydration Gel. So this is like a hyaluronic acid type of deal. It just gives your skin a tall drink of water without any oiliness. This product gives a really nice plumping effect. It draws moisture from the air and then it sucks it into your skin. And moving on, Milk Makeup Cooling Water Stick, and just massage around the eye area. This product has tons of caffeine in it to help depuff and energize the eyes. On to Amore Pacific Color Control Cushion Compact in the color Light Medium in the yellow base. I like to start in the center of the face, blending outwards. This way you neutralize most of the unevenness without covering your skin like a mask. This foundation gives you a glowy complexion. I like to use the concealer from Peau. It is in the color Ochre, and basically just swatch it where there's darkness, and then I go in with fingertips around the nose. This gives you a bit more of a sheer application. If you need more coverage, use a brush. My favorite product right now, it is the Milk Makeup Kush Fiber Brow, made with cannabis oil, so it replaces the use of beeswax in its products, so it is an all vegan product. The fibers in it are heart-shaped, so they link onto each other and give you a very fluffy brow. It gives you the illusion of more brow hairs, which I definitely need. So I go in to the back half of my brows first, working my way to the front, and then at the front I like to brush up and then over. I like to add more length to my brows towards the front. The Fenty Beauty Match Stick in Mocha. And then into my favorite blush product, the Glossier Cloud Paint in Puff today. So I usually like to use a soft, brighter colored blush for daytime. This Glossier Cloud Paint has these blurring microspheres in it that actually set to like a semi-matte finish, and it gives you a blurred out effect. So if you have any pores or fine lines around your cheeks, it's going to help minimize the look of those pores and fine lines. On top of that, Beauty Blender with my Marc Jacobs Obsessed Shameless Bold Blush. So wet and dab it over top just to give a warmer finish.
Threw my beauty blender on the ground.
Alright, and as that sets and dries, now I'm gonna go into bronzer. The bronzer of my choice. Bronzer I'm going to use is from Bobbi Brown, and this is in the color Elvis Duran. I prefer to use a matte colored bronzer, and the brush is a Tom Ford bronzer brush. I'm going to apply this to the highest planes of the face. so it warms up my entire complexion. Then I like to frame the jawline a little bit like this. And make sure you blend up and down so it doesn't look like a streak. Go into my trusty highlighter, Fenty Beauty. And for a daily look, I just go in with the Girl Next Door on the Clara's bow and a little bit on the nose bridge. To finish off the complexion and to give myself that semi-matte finish, I like to use a product called the Retouching powder from Bobbi Brown, and this is in the color Peach. I use this because it is almost like the Makeup Forever HD powder, but it has a peach tone to it, so it's less ashy or less gray on myself, I find. The purpose of this powder is to retouch your skin. It's almost like you're wearing a filter on your face. It makes you look flawless. So I apply this with a Charlotte Tilbury brush just on the T-zone. And you can actually like sweat in this and go in like super humid weather, and yes, you'll sweat through it, but it goes back to matte. And last but not least is the lips. For fall, I change up the color to a bit of a more plummy, deeper tone. So today I'm going to be using the YSL Rouge Volupté Shine. Don't know how to pronounce, but this is in color number 2. Ooh, look at that highlight. My nails are super ratchet. I'm just gonna add a bit more towards the center of the lips to create more of a stained effect. If you want to mattify your lip, you can also take that same retouching powder, dab it on top. Thank you so much for watching my Get Ready With Me video, Fall Edition. And if you enjoyed it, please click like, comment below, let me know what you thought, and subscribe to my channel. I would love to hear from you guys. I will be back very shortly with another video for you guys. Thank you very much. Bye, guys. If you liked it, click